Oh.
Blooper!
So loose. Good morning. We are back with this weirdo here. And we just had a little bit for breakfast. I just had a little bit of yogurt and some rice cakes, and she had
a Kashi breakfast bar.
Yep. And now we're gonna go for a little walk because it's really nice here in Madison or Cottage Grove. So we're gonna walk around Lake Monona. But we had to pick up the essentials first. We have to support our boy Christian Guzman. So she's gonna try the white. Have you ever had it?
Nope.
She's never had the white. I've never had the red. I've only had like
green.
Yeah, green. I've only had one 3D. So we're gonna try these.
Really good.
See if I can open it. Oh, it just spilled everywhere.
How is it?
It just tastes like fruit punch here.
Punch?
You try that one and I'll try yours.
I like that.
It tastes a little weird with mint gum, but ooh, I like that one a little better.
We'll share.
Yeah, I like the white. Alright guys, so we just got to our walking spot. It's out by Monona, Lake Monona. And we're just gonna do a little weekend slash day in the life together. We're gonna do some fishing later today. We might show you a little bit of what we're eating. I don't know if she's gonna make anything.
Turkey burgers.
Oh yeah, we have turkey burgers that we might make. Yeah. It's hard to get her in the shot because she's so much shorter than me. But
we'll be spending a lot of time outside today. So
yeah,
we'll keep you
super
updated.
nice. It's supposed to be super nice this weekend. So we're gonna do some vlogging outside. We might do a challenge.
Oh yeah.
We're trying to think of a challenge that we could do together. We're thinking yoga or I don't know.
We'll keep you updated.
We'll see. But yeah, we're gonna walk and fish later. So we'll see you in the next clip. So a little update, we've been walking for about an hour now, and we just wanted to show you guys this beautiful view out here. So this is what we're looking at right now. Got some little ducks there. Made it to the top. This is an awesome view. I don't know if you guys can see in the background. The lake's out here. Oh, there's a wedding going on. Crash the wedding here.
Yeah, right?
But yeah, we made it. We're so short. Can't get in there. There we go.
Show me Capitol.
Yeah. Capitol's right there. Perfect view of everything. This is super nice. Here we go. Got the fountain here. Someone's a little cold on the boat.
nice one.
Oh,
Blooper!
so loose. Okay, we're back. Fishing did not go as planned yesterday, but we had to stop and get some monsters this time.
0 calories.
So
right?
I'm gonna let you open it this time because last time I sprayed it everywhere.
You just hold your.
We're gonna compare the monsters to the 3Ds.
Yes. All right, this is the green one. This is his. He's tried this.
Yeah, I already have had the green, so I'll let you try it.
Okay. That's really
That's good. That's like my favorite monster. I just had it. I've had the orange and the white. Yeah. And then I tried the green. I was like, sure, I'll try that.
That's literally
and
a 10 out of 10.
It's so good.
It has like a candy, like Nerds flavor to it.
Yeah.
It reminds me of Nerds.
I don't know. That's really good, I think.
And we've never tried this one.
Never had the blue. Also, guys, I'm rocking my sample sweatshirt and we got sample joggers.
Ready?
Sorry.
This is called Ultra Fiesta.
It's like a light blue. Good?
That's good.
As good as the other one?
You have gum though, honey.
I know. It's not bad, but that one's definitely.
This has like a pineapple, like tropical flavor
That
to
one's
it.
the green is definitely the best one by far. So I would say green is the best compared to Alpha or the 3D. And then I would go with what color 3D?
White.
White 3D was pretty good. And then probably like white monster or another 3D.
White monster, and then probably all the 3Ds, and then this one. This one's not bad at all.
But it's just not quite as good. But yeah, green monster is so good. All right, so we just got done fishing. The fishing didn't really pan out this weekend. We got like a couple fish, but we're at Planet Fitness now, and we're just gonna hit a little bit of legs. We just got done warming up, but yeah, it's gonna be a pretty short workout and pretty chill, laid back. Just some machines and stuff like that. So we're gonna get right to it. Loose again. All right, so you guys saw the workout. It wasn't anything crazy at all by any means. Took us only like an hour, maybe a little over. But I don't know if it's, you guys can probably tell in the video, we're burnt. Like we've been in the sun a lot this weekend, so I don't know if that's part of it. I don't want to make excuses, but it felt heavy today and we were both just kind of drained.
We need food.
So yeah, we need some food. Yeah, we got a good workout in. It was free, so can't really complain. But we're gonna go get some food. I don't know what we're gonna have, but
we'll update ya.
I'm tired.